Really dig it in, Linda. We don't want to be swept right against it.
We want to be right there.
Yeah, in the middle. Follow that white canoe, Steve. Push it over. There we go. There we go. There we go. We're not drawing a lot of water, so you might want to get that out of the water. Haha, that's cool. Big rock there. If you see anything, Linda, call it out.
Yeah, I know.
Whee! Yeah! Fun, fun, fun! Till my daddy takes the T-bird away.
See you guys. Thanks a lot.
Safe sailing.
Thank you.
Oh, you want to go out in the middle? Yeah. I haven't been sailing for years.
Huh?
I said I haven't been sailing for years. These poor people have to paddle. We're sailing, not quite. It's still, we need a telltale. Ed, are you having fun?
It is fun.
It is fun.
Yeah.
What else are you gonna do?
Wind in our sail.
Yes. There we go. Yes. What happened, Linda? Turns you back.
Oh, it was very dangerous. Just got out of the water. I saw it. Right in front of them.
Oh.
Be a nicer day for this. Could it, overcast a bit, so.
4 years. If it's a really unproductive stream in northern BC where there's not a lot of food, they may overwinter a bunch of years so that they can grow big enough to become smolts the next spring. And the reason they may do that is because if you go down to the ocean when you're really
Well, over our lunch break, the weather has broken down a bit.
Yeah. That's what he's saying.
Rather quickly. The barometer is falling. Oh, there's all our. What do you say, Linda Lee?
What?
What do you say? I'm sure you are. Watching the river go by. The river is, this area is a lot calmer. But
Yeah,
then
I know.
toward Cheam it sort of speeds up again and goes through a number of different channels.
I mean, we're supposed to be going more in a hurry, we're in a slower town.
Yeah. We got some more fast water coming up, Linda. What do you say?
Where's the channel, Linda?
Point.
What? What do you want me to do?
Point to where you think we should go. A little off to the port side, I would say. Yeah, I can almost see the bottom on that side. So if we go that way, there we go. Yeah, yeah, maybe a little bit more. Yeah, it's slightly colored on that side. So yeah, there we go.
Well, I'll head over, I can see the fast turn, right?
Yeah, yeah, and it's a steeper bank. So
Yeah.
there we go. Whee!
You got a wide angle on that?
No. Zoom. All the gravel from flows past, being exposed.
How you doing there, Linda?
Oh, I'm good. For a nap.
Yeah, we should want some hammocks, right? Ahoy! Who goes there? Looks beautiful.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah. So we'll let you guys lead on.
Bodie McFloaty works well. Bodie McFloaty, that's what we're. We're almost there. Off in the distance is our vehicles that take us home. Yes, that's right. Yeah. Oh, we're finally here.
Go straight ahead there. How I see it cheaper.
Yeah.